Y'all going too fast.
No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace.
We have come on this afternoon so that the Commissioner of Baltimore City Police Department is on notice. Suspension with pay is not enough. We want all 6 officers arrested, and we want them in jail immediately for murder in the 1st degree.
Like I said, you're about to see Assistant Chief. I'm going to take you to
Can we yell to the top of our lungs and say, Freddie, we shall never forget.
Freddie, we shall never forget.
The legacy that you have left.
The legacy you have left.
And through us. You will live on.
You will live on.
In spirit.
In spirit.
Go, Freddie.
Go, Freddie.
Go. And scream to the top of your lungs. Ladies and gentlemen, please, in respect to the family, the mother's overwhelmed. If you'll keep your hands up as the family moves. We are demanding justice from the mayor and the police commissioner. We go in there in decency and order, in the spirit of excellence. We are not thugs. We are not criminals. We are citizens of Baltimore that demand respect. At 3 o'clock, meet us at City Hall, and we're going to demand that. Please tell everybody you know, we're going to shut City Hall down until 6 officers are in jail. Please meet us